someone like him really fall in love with someone like her? John Lloyd and Sarah star in this unique and cute love story from Star Cinema, A Very Special Love.
Meron kami mga eksena na ako yung tumipili sa after take. Bago ako mag-cut, tumitili. Pag pinanood yung aming raw materials, tumitili ako yun. I know, there is something with them.
Wala kasi akong iPad, yun talaga ang wala ako. Hindi ko nga alam eh.
iPad ng panahon.
Oo.
Ako na lang magiging iPad mo.
Oo, huwag ka na malulubat. Refreshing, yung experience. Na parang, bumabata ako. Hindi, kasi sobra ko na-enjoy. Sobra ko na-enjoy yung bawat araw sa shooting, mga bawat eksena namin. Ang sarap lang. I mean, happy lang ako. Ang gaan-gaan. Pagka masaya kasi ako, gusto kong manlibre ng
Ano mga
pagkain.
food ang pinapakain mo for everybody? Pizza.
Siyempre, lagi.
Kasi napakabait niya pong tao eh.
Oo naman.
At saka, akala ko po kasi noong una napakaseryoso niya, hirap kausapin, pero hindi.
Kengkoy.
Kengkoy!
Oo.
Opo. Mag-fall ka sa kanya kung hindi ka magkokontrol.
She's not like the rest, but she's definitely one of the best. Para revelation sa buhay ko. Revelation siya sa career ko. Naging blessed in a way yung 2008 ko dahil may isang sarang dumating sa akin, sa career ko or sa buhay ko.
Meron siyang ganung effect sa tao na parang pag kasama mo sa isang room or pag nakakasama mo ng matagal, parang nahahawa ka. Let's say, contagious yung kanyang personality. But in a better, in a good way. I mean, parang magaan na lahat. Masaya ka, nakangiti ka, and parang mauubusan ka ng pera kasi gusto mo lagi ng libre.
Ay, nakakatuwa naman kasi po kay John Lloyd Cruz. Siya pa yung nag-uunang mag-reach out sa'yo. Siya pa yung nag-approach. At parang sinasabi niya sa'yo na, don't worry, aalagaan kita bilang katrabaho mo, bilang kaibigan mo. Alam niyo po talagang si Lloydie, sinasabi ko nga po, parang sa kanya, lahat may sagot. Alam niyo po yung yung parang alam niya lahat.
Pero malalim, no?
Napakalalim na tao.
But at the same time, mahusay makisama.
Sobra po. Yung pagkakaibigan talaga na mayroon po kami. At sabi ko nga, magkasama ko yung taong yun o pagkausap ko, I can just be myself at pwede ko sabihin lahat ng gusto ko sabihin. Hindi niya ako huhusgahan, hindi niya ako maiitin. Ganun siyang klaseng tao at alam ko na maraming mga malalapit sa kanya makakapag-attest sa kanya dun sa sinasabi ko.
Magmula nang dumating ako, mula very special love, mula nung episode na yun ang maalaala mo, kaya di na ako aalis. Dito lang ako.
Ngayon, hanggang tumagal, alam ko in my heart, we will always be special to one another.
See you at the time. Napaka-special mo. Sobra.
In this world, you don't get to choose.
Kung ano yung sa'yo, dadating. Ganon.
Oo, parang ganun.
Something in your eyes makes me wanna lose my.
How is it possible not to fall in love with someone like Sarah?
Makes me wanna lose myself in your arms. There's something in your voice makes my heart beat fast. I hope this feeling lasts for the rest of my life. If you knew how lonely my life has been and how low I've felt for so long, and if you knew how I wanted someone to come along and change my world the way you've done. Feels like home to me.
Lighter yan eh.
Bakit lighter?
She can easily, effortlessly, she can light up your world. Parang ganun.
Where I've come from.
Yung parang naramdaman ko kasi sa kanya na hindi nagmamatter kung may makita siya sa akin. Ay, ganyan pala siya. Ay, ganyan pala siya. Parang gano'n. Parang hindi ko yun naramdaman.
Way back where I belong. Another window breaks.
Kami ni Sarah talaga since day one.
Diba, no?
Since that maalaala mo kaya episode.
since then, hanggang ngayon, and naniniwala ako, we will always have this very special connection.
That's true.
But that's alright, 'cause I have you here with me. And I can almost see through the dark there's a light. If you knew how much this moment means to me, and how long I've waited for your touch, and if you knew how happy you are making me.
At Lloydie, thank you. Ang daming pagpapasalamat. Thank you for accepting the real me. For yeah, but for being a friend. A good friend.
Thank you. You're welcome. Very, 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 very welcome. Ako, thank you. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you for trusting me, for the trust. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for accepting me as a friend, and thank you for being there, simply being there, and above all, thank you for coming into my life. Thank you.
Thank you for coming into my life. But thank you for giving me another chance to be a friend again. Oh.